Alright. Okay. Bismillah. Alright, so for tutorial discussion today, we are going to discuss the tutorial question yang you dah buat. Of course, the answer won't be coming from me. The answer will be coming from you. But I will select lah whoever I want, right, based on the name list. Alright, okay. Before we begin, okay, let's just recap on what we have learned, okay, so far. Right, so this is a problem statement. So this problem statement, a lorry travels from station A to station B, calculate the distance from station A to station B, given distance equals to speed times time. Okay, so there are two problem analysis here. Okay, problem analysis A, input speed, time, process, calculate distance, output distance. Also problem analysis B, input speed, time, process, calculate distance, distance equals to speed times time, output distance. So which of these problem analysis, A ke B ke yang betul? Which one?
A.
A, why A?
A.
Kenapa A?
Sebab dia general.
Dia general, what do you mean by dia general? Which one in general?
The process dia tidak begitu spesifik.
That is correct. Alright, so the answer is problem analysis A. Because why? Dekat dalam problem analysis, kita tak include this calculate distance equals to distance speed times time tu. Alright? Okay. Next, based on the problem analysis, okay, which is the pseudocode? Okay, yang mana satu is the correct pseudocode? Pseudocode A ke pseudocode B? Which one?
B, Miss.
B? Kenapa B?
A, miss.
Kenapa A? Kenapa?
Begin.
Medium? Apa?
We should start with begin, right, miss?
Begin?
A.
Kenapa A? Cepat. Kenapa A?
Begin sama N tu kan?
Begin sama N. Okay, so A sebab begin dengan N. Kalau B tadi, kenapa, siapa yang jawab B? Kenapa B?
Sebab read dengan display, Miss.
Read dengan display. Okay. So actually for these two pseudocode, dua-dua salah. Why? Cuba check betul-betul. Kenapa salah? Okay. Pertama yang A tu tadi tak ada apa tadi? SC? Yes. Very good.
Process.
Correct. Betul. Proses je tu. Okay, because the process does not include the formula of the distance. Kan? Dia tulis kat situ general je. Calculate distance. Tak boleh. Pseudocode, you have to be precise. So, the pseudocode for this problem analysis should be like this. Tak kisahlah begin ke, start ke, tak kisah. Also, input ke, read ke, output dia, output ke, print ke, tak kisah. As long as this one process ni. Process ni should be clear lah. Okay, calculate distance equals to speed times time, ataupun you can just tulis distance equals to speed times. Okay? Boleh?
Boleh,
miss.
Alright.
Boleh, Miss.
Okay, good job. Right, next. Okay. How about the flowchart of this problem statement? Okay, kat sini, mana yang problem flowchart yang betul based on the problem statement tadi? The kanan one.
Kanan, Miss.
Kanan. Kenapa kanan?
Dekat kanan.
bentuk dia.
Arrow dia, miss. Arrow.
Dia punya bentuk, Miss.
Arrow and shape.
Arrow and
Arrow,
shape.
Miss.
Okay. Arrow and shape. Okay. Okay. Sebenarnya dua-dua salah. Okay. Sebab apa? Sebab tak ada start dengan end. Betul tak? Dalam flowchart kita kena bubuh start dengan end. Okay, ada yang sebut pasal arrow. Arrow tu tak kisahlah sengit ke lurus ke tak kisah, as long as the arrow tu tunjuk from where to where. Okay, taklah terbalik ke, pusing ke, looping ke, apa ke. Alright, so make sure kena ada first start and end. Also yang tadi aku kata kanan betul. Dia punya shape for input, output and process are correct. Okay, but dia still salah sebab apa? Sebab tak ada start dengan end terminal. Right? So which one of this flowchart is the flowchart, the correct flowchart? Yang mana satu?
Sebelah kanan.
Kanan, Miss.
Sebelah kanan. Very good. The right one. Yes. Why? Check the shape of the input and process. So the shape is like this. Okay, I've seen like some of you guys. Alamak. Okay, I've seen some of you guys bila buat the shape tu kan, shape untuk input tu, dia tak cukup sengit. Dia nampak macam petak. So actually benda tu very dangerous if dalam exam later on, kalau you nak buat flowchart tu, make sure yang sengit kotak tu betul-betul sengit. Jangan sekadar-sekadar macam tu je. Sebab nanti dia akan confuse with the process punya shape. Alright? Next. Alright, next. This one tadi. Okay, this one. So which one of this flowchart is the correct flowchart? Yang mana satu?
Dia
Sebelah
kiri
kiri.
Pak.
Sebelah kiri.
Sebelah kiri. Sebelah kiri kenapa?
Proses dia.
Sebab ada formula.
Betul. Very good. Okay, sebab. Yes, very good. Sebab belah kiri tu ada formula. Belah kanan tu just generally je. Dia tak tulis formula dia apa. Right? So in pseudocode lah. In flowchart, you have to write the formula, not just the text, distance macam tu sahaja. Right? So this is the difference between problem analysis, pseudocode and flowchart. Okay? Be very careful when you're writing problem analysis and pseudocode and flowchart. Because some of you guys tulis general je dekat pseudocode. And some of you guys tulis generally distance, calculate distance dekat flowchart. So this is the differences lah you can say. For problem analysis, calculate distance. Generally je, calculate distance. For pseudocode, you tulis distance equals to speed times. And then flowchart, tulis juga formula. Alright? Next, okay. Which of the following is the correct problem analysis? So the problem statement is print the message, you need to drink more water for a person who drank water less than 1000 ml, milliliter. Okay, so the kiri one, input dia water intake, process, dia adalah display message, you need to drink more water based on water intake, output dia adalah message, you need to drink more water or not. Okay, the right one, okay, process, display, you need to drink more water based on water intake, output, you need to drink more water or none. Okay, so which one is the correct problem analysis? Mana satu? Kiri ke kanan?
Kiri.
Kiri. Kenapa kiri?
Kiri, Miss.
Kenapa kiri?
Kanan ni.
Kenapa kanan? Very good.
Display message is for output.
Display message is for output. Maksudnya?
Yang betul is kanan kan?
Sebab dia ada tanda yang
Kanan.
yang dua tu, Miss.
Yang dua,
Dia ada perkataan display. Display tu untuk output.
display tu untuk output. So kalau macam tu, proses dia should be apa? Mana tadi yang jawab tu? Ha.
You need to drink more water.
Calculate
Itu sahaja.
the
Calculate?
calculate the what
Bukan
it
determine kan? Determine the person dia minum lebih atau tidak.
I see. Okay. Alright. Pun boleh juga benda tu, tapi dalam proses bila kita dah determine tu, kita nak buat apa? Kita nak program tu buat apa?
Determine whether the person drink more than 1000
1000.
ml
Okay,
or less.
Okay, correct. Lepas tu dia nak buat apa. Itu pun boleh sebenarnya as a process. Tapi for this one, for this example, proses dia adalah display you need to drink more water based on water intake. Okay, you can write that bila dalam exam pun benda tu akan betul juga. Right? So for this example juga, tapi for this example, dia punya proses adalah display you need to drink more water based on water intake. So kiri ke kanan, mana yang betul?
Kanan.
Kanan. Kenapa kanan? Kenapa kiri?
Yang kiri tu dia message tu macam dia minta display kan.
Okay, faham? Right, so kalau kanan?
Macam dua-dua salah.
Dua-dua salah. Okay,
Sudah salah.
dua-dua salah. Okay. Jawapan dia adalah yang kiri. Sebab apa? Sebab tadi SZ dah sebut tadi, kawan awak dah sebut tadi, sebab ada message. When you are writing, bila dia sebut pasal print message ataupun ada
Kanan tu miss sebab dia ada yang tanda 2 tu miss.
tanda
Jadi
dua,
yang
tanda dua
tanda
mana ni?
2 tu untuk message.
Okay. Kiri pun ada tanda 2 tu kan? Untuk message kan? Tapi the difference between kiri dengan kanan, kiri ada message. So kalau tengok kan dekat proses tu, display message, lepas tu ada bentuk tu you need to drink more water. And then output dia message you need to drink more water. Okay, so the kiri tu ada message, kanan tak ada message. So that is the difference lah. So when you are writing, bila ada printing, when satu program ataupun satu problem statement requires you to print a text ataupun bagi tahu, oh, this is an odd number, this is an even number, this is a positive number ataupun you are old based on age kan, apa kan. When it comes to printing or displaying message, you have to write output dia message. Lepas tu baru tulis message tu. Alright, for process pula display message. Kena include the message. Alright. Macam ni lah. Okay. So this is the example. So you have to write the message. Okay, because when it comes to displaying or printing a message, you will always have to write message before you write the text. Okay, so because the reason why I remind this is because I saw a lot of you guys did not write the message when writing down the problem analysis. So I need you guys, or I want you guys to take note of this lah. Okay, because dekat dalam exam, kalau tak tulis message tu, dia akan terus salah. Okay, that is how important the keyword is. And another reason is that writing down message, meaning that it will print out the message, just the text in a message form, not in other forms such as dialogue box ke, pop-up message ke, faham tak? Bila kita print, okay, you need to drink more water kan? Dalam program kita boleh tulis, kita boleh create dia, keluarkan pop-up punya message, you need to drink more water. Okay, so kita tak naklah orang salah faham, kita just nak print, you need to drink more water, kat situ saja, print dia output macam tu saja instead of a pop-up message ataupun dialog box. Okay, boleh faham? Boleh faham so far?
Boleh, Miss.
Faham,
Miss. Okay, good job. Alright, kalau terlalu laju bagi tahu, alright? Okay, now let's go through tutorial questions together. Okay. Saya tak nak share dah screen because saya tak ada jawapan. Kawan kamu yang akan share dengan kita lah selepas ini. Alright, so first question. Soalan pertama. Okay. Identify input, process and output for the following problem statements. Number 1, Ahmad wants to create a program that determines the total area of a piece of a land where length and width are given. Okay, so the input should be length and width. Very good. Process dia?
Calculate the total area of this land.
Very good. Good job. Okay, the output?
Area of piece of land.
Very good. Okay, area of piece of land. Okay, number 2. Okay, saya nak sebut lah. Number 2, Fadila F13. Fadila F13 ada?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number 2. Input dia apa?
Radius, Miss.
Miss tak share screen.
Tidak, sebab tak ada jawapan. Okay. Tadi
Apa
Fadil.
Miss?
Okay. Okay, Fadila tadi input dia apa?
Radius, Miss.
Radius. Kenapa radius?
Saya ambil dari tu, Miss. Volume of a sphere tu. Dari dia punya formula.
That is correct. Okay. So when it comes like this, dia tak bagi tahu input dia apa. Kan? Dia tak bagi tahu pun. Dia bagi tahu just process and output je kan. So you have to know lah the process tu dia kata volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere, you have to know the formula of the volume of the sphere. Apa yang diperlukan. Alright. So the input is radius. The process is Fadila?
Calculate and print volume of a sphere, Miss.
Very good. Output dia?
Volume of a sphere.
Very good. Alright, volume of a sphere. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3, F14. F14 Nazirul ke? Apa yang tu? Nazirul. Ada Nazirul ke kelas F14? Saya confused.
Tiada, Miss.
Oh, tiada. Okay. Saya salah tu. Sylvester?
Ya, Miss.
Okay, number 3. Input, process, output.
Input millimeter.
Okay.
Process convert measurement in millimeter to meter.
Very good.
Output
Convert je?
meter.
Convert
Ya,
je ke?
convert je. Ya.
Tak print lah.
Convert and print.
Okay.
Convert and print measurement in millimeter to meter.
Okay.
Output meter.
Meter. Very good. Alright. Number 4, F14. Suhaila ada? Suhaila tak ada? Junior ada? Tak ada juga. Semua tak masuk ke macam mana ni? Khairul Fitri?
Ada Miss.
Okay, number 4.
Input price.
Okay.
Process. Calculate the text based on the total price and add to total price.
Okay.
Output total price.
Very good. Good job. Alright. Thank you. Number 5. Number 5, F15. Hashim, F15. Number 5.
Ya, Miss.
Okay, number 5.
Input 61, 62, 63.
Mm-hmm.
Process, calculate the sum of the number and divide with 3.
Calculate some number. Kenapa bukan calculate average saja? Kenapa tak?
Oh,
Kenapa tak macam tu? Kenapa buat divide by 3?
macam average, Miss.
Oh, gitu. Okay, lagi? Outputnya?
Output, print the sum and the average.
Alright. Good job. Okay, input dia adalah 61, 62, 63. Okay, dia punya process. Okay, calculate the sum and average for all those 3 numbers. Okay, output dia sum, average. Alright. Number 6. Okay, number 6. Amni Safira ada? F15? Tak ada juga. Wilson? F15?
Miss.
Oh, okay. So number 6.
Number 6, input.
Mak bergema pula.
input, body mass and height.
Body mass and height. Okay.
Process, calculate the BMI. And
Okay.
the output is BMI for a person.
Very good. Alright. So but the input tu should be weight, okay? Body mass is different sebenarnya. Tapi body mass actually different, maksudnya different. Even kalau dalam physics kalau belajar mass and weight is different. Betul tak? Tak ambil kan physics. In physics mass dengan weight tu berbeza So the input tadi should be weight and height. Okay, and then tadi macam kau nak cakap proses dia calculate body mass, output dia adalah body mass index of a person. Alright. Good job Wilson. Number 7, Mahathir ada Mahathir.
Ada Miss.
Okay. Number 7.
Dia punya input ke Miss? Length,
Input process apa? Okay.
length, radius sama width ke?
Length, radius sama width.
Dia punya
Okay,
process,
kalau
calculate the area of circumference of circle.
Okay.
Dia punya output area Miss.
Area.
Area of circle.
Area saja. Output dia area saja.
Ya Miss.
Itu saja. Okay. So number 7, terima kasih Mahathir. Number 7, calculate and print the area and circumference of a circle. So sekali lagi macam soalan tadi nombor 2, you have to know dia punya formula. So the formula for this area of a circle apa? Apa formula area of a circle? Siapa tahu? Kita tak tahu. Kalau kotak length
4 pi r square.
Very good. Okay. 4 pi r square ataupun 4 pi r square biar betul. Ya ke? 4 pi r square? Bukan pi r square?
Pi r square, Miss.
Yes. Area of a circle is pi r square. Kalau circumference pula
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Okay. When you know the formula, you tahu apa benda yang diperlukan. Which is R tu lah. Kita tak tahu kan? Pi kita dah tahu. 2 dah tahu dah. R tak tahu lagi. So kita kena tahu input je. So input dia adalah R tu. R tu adalah radius. So the input is radius. Process is calculate, print the area and circumference of a circle. Output dia adalah area and circumference. Alright, that's number 7. Number 8. Okay, number 8 kita ambil Jessie Darian F05. Ada Jessie? Tak ada? Okay, tak apa. Sonita Joyce Lansin F05 pun tak ada. Okay, Sonia F05.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. Number 8.
Input hour. Process calculate the overtime pay with the overtime rate of RM5 per hour. Output
Okay.
display overtime. Display overpay.
Display overtime pay. Alright, very good Sonia. Thank you. Okay, input hour. Process dia adalah calculate and display overtime pay. Okay, output dia adalah overtime pay. Very good Sonia. Alright, number 9. Okay, number 9. Number 9 saya nak Elisa Amoy anak usuk. F5. Elisa ada?
Ada media.
Okay.
Input price for brand A, B. Process calculate total sales with based on number computer sold for both brands. Output display commission N.
Tak berapa dengar lah sebenarnya Elisa. Cuba kuat sikit suara awak tu.
Input price for brand A, B.
Okay.
Calculate total sales based on brand A and B. Output commission N.
Very good. Okay, input price for brand A and brand B. Okay, price of brand A. What? Sorry, kejap. Number 9. Kejap. The company will pay blah 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 blah. Macam mana? Elisa. Okay. So Elisa punya okay. Elisa punya jawapan. Okay, saya tengok Elisa punya jawapan dekat classroom. Awak punya jawapan untuk pseudocode betul. Awak punya problem analysis salah. Okay, so the input. Okay, awak sebut pasal awak punya pseudocode untuk soal nombor 9.
Ya kan?
Sejak.
Begin. Input number no brand A. Input no brand B. Brand S equals to brand A darab 550. Brand B equals to brand B darab 1100. Total sales equals to brand A plus brand B. Total commission sama dengan total darab 11%. Display total commission and N.
Very good. Okay. Tu awak punya pseudocode tu betul. Tapi awak punya problem analysis tiba-tiba input price for brand A. So adakah awak punya pseudocode tu input no number of brand A tu is apa? Price of brand A ke?
Ya kan? Salah.
Okay. Sekejap saya share dengan awak semua Elisa punya jawapan. Kejap ah. Apa ni? Macam mana ni? Start broadcast. Saya guna phone. Nampak ke? Nampak? Tak nampak? Nampak? Tak nampak?
Nampak, Miss.
Nampak,
Miss.
Okay. So ini. Okay, pseudocode dia ini. Begin input number of brand. Berapa banyak brand A ni dijual. Okay, yang dapat dijual. Okay, then input number brand B. Berapa banyak brand B ni dijual. Okay, tapi kalau dalam case ni Elisa separate those two, input number brand A, input number brand B. Sedangkan awak boleh buat begin input number brand A, number brand B. Right, and then dia bubuh brand A equals to number of the brand yang dah sold A tu times the price of the brand A 550. Okay, brand B darab dengan 1100, total sales equals to brand A plus brand B. Okay, and then total commission equals to total times 11%, display total commission and end. Okay, so the input would be brand A sold, number of brand A sold, number of brand B sold for the input. Okay, for the process, calculate. Inilah sama je lah, calculate total sales with commission. Computer sold for both brands. Output, commission, earn. Alright? Boleh? Number 9? Number 9
Boleh,
confusing sikit kan? Okay. Boleh Alright, good job. Okay. Next, number 10. Number 10. Siapa tadi saya nak sebut? Number 10. Number 10, Marcella. Marcella ada? Tak ada? Number 10 tak ada? Marcella. Okay. Michelle ada Michelle? Michelle pun tak ada? Apa jadi Dan? Okay, Faizul ada Faizul? Owen?
Ada, Miss.
Okay, number 10.
Ya, Miss.
Okay.
Number 10, input gas area space dengan price of the floor tiles. Untuk proses, calculate the total of tiles needed and calculate the gas area space. For output,
Total cost of tiles needed to be paid.
Okay. So tadi input awak apa tadi? Last sekali.
I input gas area space sama price of floor tiles.
Gas area space and sama dengan
Price of floor tiles.
price for floor tiles. Okay. Okay. So kat situ, okay, thank you Owen. Alright. So number 10, okay, dia kata Ahlin plans to install floor tiles for his gas area spaces which are rectangular in shape. Okay, fine. The price per square feet of floor tiles will be determined after Ahlin ni dah pilih suitable tiles. Okay. Perkiraan untuk price per square feet untuk floor tiles tu akan dikira, okay, ataupun akan dibagi tahu bila Lim dah bagi tahu Lim nak tiles yang mana. Right? And then dia kata calculate and display the area of Lim's gas area space and the total cost of tiles needed to be paid by him. Okay, so the input for this one, first kita kena tahulah, kita kena tahu apa. Dia kata dekat sini calculate, okay, area of Lim's gas area space. So kita kena cari length and width. So the input is length and width untuk kira area space tu. Right, and then dia kata juga total cost of tiles needed to be paid by him. So another input should be types of tiles chose by Ahlim. Because why? Kenapa types of tile bukan price of tile? Sebab dia kata price tu akan diberi tahu apabila Lim dah pilih tiles mana yang dia nak. Boleh kat situ? Boleh faham kat situ?
Faham.
Alright. Okay, so the input should be type of tiles chose by Ahlim and length and width. Okay, process dia would be calculate, display area of Lim's gas area space and total cost of the tiles. Okay, dia punya output is area space and total cost of the tiles. Boleh nombor 10?
Apa Miss? Boleh repeat?
Yang mana satu? Semua ke? Input tu?
Untuk proses.
Untuk proses. Kalau untuk proses, calculate and display area of Lim's gas area space. Okay, dan total cost of tiles needed to be paid. To process. Kalau output dia adalah area of Lim's gas area space and total cost of tax needed to be paid. Boleh?
Boleh, Miss.
Input dia.
Alright.
Boleh, Miss.
Apa Mazlin ni?
Input dia apa, Miss?
Input dia adalah types of tiles, okay, dan length dan width. Sebab kita nak kira area tu kita kena tahu sebab dia dah kata rectangular shape. So nak kira area of the rectangular shape kita perlukan panjang dan lebar. So input panjang dan lebar dan sekali lagi kita kena pilih type of tile yang Ahlim dah pilih. Itu input dia. Type of tiles that Ahlim chose, also length and width. Boleh? Dah? Okay, semua dapat?
Dapat, Miss.
Alright, very good. Okay, number 11. Number 11 saya nak Melly Jane F15. Melly Jane ada?
Ada, Miss.
Okay, number 11.
Input number 1, number 2, number 3. Lepas tu apa? Dot number 1000.
Okay.
Process calculate the total of 1000 numbers. Output total of numbers.
Very good. Okay, itu jawapan dia, okay. Input number 1, number 2, number 3, number 1000. Sampailah 1000 number. Alright, and then process, calculate the total of that 1000 numbers. Output dia total of numbers. Alright, boleh kat situ? Boleh? Tak boleh? Boleh? Boleh?
Boleh, Miss.
Boleh, Miss.
Boleh, Miss.
Okay, boleh. Alright. So for that one, akan ada kat bawah saya rasa nombor yang sama. 11, bla 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 bla, tak ada. Bla 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 bla. Okay. So number 11 ni adalah contoh untuk apa? Contoh control sequence yang mana?
Loop, Miss.
Loop. Very good. Loop. Okay, itu loop tu bahasa pasar dia. Tapi bahasa formal dia adalah repetition control structure. Alright, so guna loop apa namanya?
Counter control.
Counter control. Very good. Okay, counter control. Alright. Number 12. Okay, number 12. Calculate and print sum, average and multiplication of two given numbers. Number 12. Saya nak Siapa belum kena? Okay. Annie Lee Suvun. Annie ada? Okay, tak ada. Julia Natasha?
Ada, Miss.
Okay, number 12.
Input two given numbers. Process, calculate the sum, average and multiplication. Output output sum, average and multiplication.
Very good. Thank you, Julia Natasha. Alright. Tapi tadi input tadi aku kata two given numbers kan? Tak boleh macam tu So input you kena bubuh 61, 62. Kalau dia kata ada 15 number, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Contoh sampai 15. Alright. Tak boleh bagi 15 given numbers. Alright.
Okay, Miss.
Alright. Okay, next is the second one, 2.2 algorithm. Okay, define algorithm. Boleh tengok dekat slide, state the purpose of algorithm. Okay, fine. Two techniques to represent an algorithm. Apa dua teknik yang boleh represent algorithm? The first one?
Pseudocode.
Pseudocode. Very good. Pseudocode. Number two? Flowchart. Very good. Flowchart. Alright. Okay, number 4, give us the reason why flowchart is more popular in representing algorithm. Kenapa flowchart lebih popular?
Easy to understand.
Very good. Easy to understand.
Easy to understand.
Very good. It is easy to understand. Nampak satu persatu daripada pseudocode macam confusing.
Easy.
Yes, easy. Okay. Number 5, okay. Prepare a problem analysis, write the pseudocode and draw a flowchart for the given problem statement below. Okay, number 5A, calculate and print the volume of sphere based on the formula given below. Okay, ni dah bagi dah volume of sphere 4 divided by 3, what? 4/3 pi r square. Alright, so just buat je problem analysis macam biasa dan kita perlukan radius. Okay, so input would be radius, proses kira the volume of sphere dan dia punya output would be volume of sphere. Okay, so the code pun macam biasa. Alright, saya rasa semua dah okay sebab soalan banyak yang kat atas. Right, number 5C. 5C, Joshua kot. Joshua ada?
Ada, Miss.
Ada. Okay. Joshua. Right, 5C. Untuk pseudocode dia, macam mana? Joshua? Joshua?
Miss, start, first read radius given, number 2,
Radius.
calculate volume of sphere,
Bukan.
and 3,
Bukan 5A.
pseudocode.
5C. C.
Oh, C. 5C. Start, 1, read price of meal, of one set of meal. 2, calculate total price including taxes. So total equals price plus price times 16%.
Okay.
And
Very good. Alright, so start and then read price of a meal and calculate total price including tax. Calculate total price including tax tu, awak tak perlu bubuh Joshua. You just bubuh dia punya formula je, which is total equals to price plus price times 16% tu. Alright, and then end. Also Joshua, tak perlu bubuh 1 dan 2 tu. Numbering tak perlu dalam pseudocode. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Alright. Next, number 6. Rafia is a sale, blah, 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 blah. Pseudocode to calculate. Kita dah discuss tadi kan? Okay, just nak tengok dia punya pseudocode also. Tak ya. Saya dah tunjukkan pseudocode tadi. Belum? Dah kan?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah. Okay, itu sahaja for tutorial discussion. Okay, ada apa-apa soalan? Ke tak ada? Tak ada? Tak ada? Tak ada?
Tiada, Miss.
Macam tiada.
Tiada.
Tiada,
Ada
Miss.
kan? Sekejap. Nombor 9 awak boleh buat ke? Saya pun baru perasan. Nombor 9. Draw a flowchart to calculate the sum of 10,000 numbers that are being input interactively using a loop. Boleh buat ke? Baru perasan lah. Confuse sikit ha. Lepas tu tadi okey je semua. Kenapa korang ni? Okay, kejap. Bagi saya tengok. Yang betul, tak ramai yang betul. Confuse kat mana tu? Yang mana yang confuse? Which part? Siapa tadi kata confuse? Hello? Hello? Mana confuse? Tak ada dah? Tiba-tiba dah tak confuse ke?
Yang start counter ni.
Counter. Okay. Okay, sekejap. Using a loop. Okay. Saya akan tunjuk kawan awak punya example. Okay, this one. Alright, boleh nampak? So this is the example, okay? Dia punya answer jugalah for number 9. Okay, number 9. Betul. Number 9. So begin counter equals to kosong while counter less than 1000. Okay, Melly boleh share tak macam mana awak boleh dapat? Macam mana awak boleh faham counter equals to kosong? Kenapa bukan counter equals to 1? Melly?
Kalau
Cuba ajar
boleh
kawan
juga
awak
satu
sikit.
bukan?
Cuba ajar kawan awak satu persatu. Macam mana awak buat pseudocode untuk while loop ni?
Kalau counter saya tak berapa pasti sebab selalunya kosong jadi saya tak kosong.
Okay.
And then kalau untuk yang loop dia kena ada while jadi and then counter dia kena less than 1000 sebab dia punya counter kosong. And then calculate lepas tu next tu counter tu kena tambah 1 supaya dia kira dia sampai 1000 lah. Begitulah.
Begitulah, okay. So tadi kawan awak yang confused tu faham tak? Melly ajar macam tu. Terima kasih Melly. Faham tak? Masih confused lagi
Sorry
tak?
lah kalau tak faham.
Faham, Miss.
Kita apa saya nak tahu je apa yang confused tu kat mana? Tak nampak ke counter tu? Saya tak tahu mana yang awak confused. Counter tu ke? Initializing of the counter ke? Ataupun pergerakan counter tu sendiri? Ataupun flow of the program itself? Mana tadi kawan awak tu? Boleh faham tak? Saya tak faham. Dah 9.30 dah. Okey, tak apa. Untuk kalau macam tu, okey, untuk while loop ni saya akan ajar lagi sekali next week. Alright? Don't worry. Okay, kita akan go through balik looping, counter, sentinel semua tu selagi sekali. And I will also kalau korang berminat, kalau awak semua berminat, okay, saya boleh bagi program. Just go, kalau awak boleh just main-main with the counter and all, awak boleh tengok satu persatu macam mana counter tu works. Alright? Okay lah. So far tak ada soalan yang lain?
Tak ada, Miss.
Dah copy dah jawapan? Okay. Dah copy jawapan korang awak ni? Betul ni betul.
Belum, Miss.
Okay, line sudah start menghilang. Kawan nak kata. Okay. Okay, itu saja for this class. Okay, for the rest of the class yang lain, bukan yang lain. Lagi 30 minit ni, awak ada lagi 30 minit kan kelas? Siapkan soalan nombor 4 tu. Soalan nombor 4. Page number 4 yang saya bagi tutorial tu. Saya akan publish a new assignment, tapi the new assignment is the page 4 yang hari tu tutorial 1 tu. Alright? And then submit it before the end days. The day ends. Alright, itu sahaja for today's class. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
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 Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Arigato.
Arigato. Sayonara.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Miss,
Yeah.
for the problem analysis, right, Miss?
Sorry?
For problem analysis,
Uh-huh.
for the process, right, when do we know how to use the statement print or display message? Is it according to the question?
What do you mean by print or display message? Maksudnya
Because,
menggunakan print ataupun display ke ataupun how? What do you mean?
yang mistake. When
Oh,
do we
my-
use?
When do we use print or display?
Is according to the question, right, Miss?
Yes, it is according to the question, but you can use print or display. It doesn't matter print atau display. Also, I think your question is macam mana, macam nak tahu kan dia keluarkan message kan. Contoh kan macam tadi, dia ada tulis like for example, for number 8. For number 8, tengok question number 8. Number 8 tu dia tulis kan. Okay, algorithm tu display the number is odd. Okay, bila dia kata check whether the number is odd ke, ganjil ke, genap ke, apa kan. So kalau dia kata check whether the number is odd or even, okay, dia akan ada message. Sebab dia nak bagi tahulah bila awak masukkan number, dia akan keluarkan number is odd, number is even. That is how you know that it is printing something, a text, a message. Faham tak? Faham tak? Ke tak?
How, Miss?
Faham.
Ulang sekejap.
Apa macam mana?
Ulang.
Apa?
Repeat, Miss.
Repeat, okay. Repeat, okay, sorry. So, kalau soalan tu, kalau dia kata check or determine whether the number is odd or even, ataupun dia kata if a person is old, print you are old, okay, dia akan dia punya proses akan ada display message, lepas tu dalam dua bentuk tu you are old ataupun those message number is odd ke apa. Faham tak? It's in the question itself. Kalau contoh dia kata print sum, average ataupun multiplication of the two given number, that one bukan message, bukan print a message. That one is just a number. You just print, je keluarkan number saja. But when it comes to a text message, you have to display message, lepas tu ada text of the message tu lah. Boleh?
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Alright. Saya tak stop recording. Thank you.